The alignment of films on carrier sheets is a crucial first step in the registration process. Precise film alignment will make all other aspects of registration easier. It's important to check carrier sheets for damage before using them, especially if they've been used previously. Repeated use can distort and enlarge the pinholes in the acetate, leaving a loose fit on the pin bar. This will adversely affect film registration. To check a carrier sheet, mount it on the pin bar. Then, with a hand on each end of the sheet, lightly twist the film to see if there is movement around the pins. If there is movement, or if the film doesn't tightly fit on the pin bar, discard the carrier sheet. Using carrier sheets with worn or distorted holes will directly compromise the accuracy of the tri-lock system. You can use any film in a job as the main alignment or base film, but the black trap or white underlay films are usually a good choice. No matter which one you choose, be sure that when the film is aligned on the light table, the art in the remaining films does not extend above the image top line. If it does, select another film that contains the highest point of the artwork, or adjust the position of the base film to allow for the additional space needed. Once you've selected your base film, mount a carrier sheet to the pin bar and make sure the fit is tight on the pins. Lay the base film on top of the carrier sheet. Cut 2 pieces of tape and have them ready on your fingers, and align the film to the image top and centerline positions. Tape the film to the carrier sheet with 3 pieces of clear tape. It's okay if the image overlaps the carrier sheet. Carefully remove the carrier sheet and film from the pin bar. Fold back the film and trim away the overlapping carrier sheet. Tape the back side of the film to the carrier sheet with at least 2 pieces of tape. Film alignment is the most critical step in the tri-lock system. Any errors at this stage will carry through the rest of the process, causing misalignment on the press. Extra care at this point is crucial to successful screen registration. With your base film correctly positioned and taped on both sides of the carrier sheet, mount the carrier sheet and film on the pin bar. Gently smooth the film downward. Mount a new carrier sheet on top of the base film. Align the next film positive over the first and use 1 or 2 loops to confirm that the outer edges of the design and registration marks are aligned. Tape the film positive to the carrier sheet. And carefully remove the carrier sheet and film from the pin bar. Fold back the film and trim away the overlapping carrier sheet. Tape the back side of the film to the carrier sheet with at least 2 pieces of tape. Remount the film. Double-check the registration and confirm that the carrier sheet has been trimmed clear of the artwork. Then carefully remove the film and carrier sheet and set them aside. Repeat this process for all remaining films. Avoid layering more than 2 films on top of one another, as this can cause optical distortion and misalignment. You should layer 3 films only when it's necessary to find positioning for the third film. Rubbing your hand quickly over the top of the film will create a static charge that will keep the films from sliding around too much.